You're that person that no one worries about, because you always show up when they need you. You're the person who says, I got it, even when you really don't. But you always figure it out. Everyone thinks you're strong, and that you have it all together when you really just deal with things quietly, because you don't want to burden others with your problems. That's the thing about people who haven't been loved much. They think about every kind gesture, a slightest touch of fingers, kind smiles, random acts of love, intimacy in every small thing done. They find that love, wherever they can cause it, was never given to them freely. They don't ask for love. They search for it everywhere.